Hey geniuses, Paryag here. So, Vsauce never sent me the curiosity box. Or did they? Hello geniuses. So recently Vsauce sent me this curiosity box. Why? Because this time it contains some really cool new math items. So let's unbox it, let's see what are those items. Also, if you want to buy your own curiosity box, head over to the link in the description of this video. Also use mathogenius times Vsauce as a coupon code to get a discount on curiosity box subscription. Also, one thing, curiosity box subscription is only available in these countries. So now let's unbox it and see what cool new science and math items are there in this box. Okay, so geniuses, this is the curiosity box that was sent to us by Vsauce. I have yet not opened this box. I know about the items which are there in this curiosity box from the videos in the channel of Vsauce and like in the website what they advertise, but I also like never looked at them in person. So yeah, what I am excited about is the everyday carry full object, because that is a really cool math item in this box. So let's open it. So this, my friends, is the curiosity box of Vsauce. So yeah, there are many items in here. This is the black hole shirt. This is the body deck. We will look at these items one by one. This is really cool. This is a puzzle, some kind of puzzle. I don't know much about it, but yeah, this is that puzzle. And this is that thing which I have been waiting for, the multi-fool. It's not the tool, it's the multi-fool. So this looks very good, so we will also look at this. And this is the book of elements, the elements book by Euclid. And there are some few more items in here. I'll just put it in here. Okay, these are the stickers. This is about the items that we have in this curiosity box. And this is the magazine. Like, this magazine explains about these items in detail. So now let's look at these items one by one. So the first thing that I would like to show you is the coolest thing which I was waiting for, is this EDC multi-fool. Let's open it. The box is really good, and yeah. So okay, this looks like this. This is heavy. This is really heavy. First thing that, so yeah. This is a multi-tool which has like many applications, so many applications for some very specific circumstances. Like, you might be wondering why there is this kangaroo in here. If you ever encounter a kangaroo and it like fits in this, then you are safe. And if it doesn't, then you need to run away. There are some really cool details in this. Like, if you examine this in here, these angles of the edges are not like 90 degree. This is 92, this is 88, this is 93, and this is 87 degrees. One cool thing is this is hello written in different extinct languages. So like, if you like someday travel back in time and you need to say hello to those people whose languages got extinct, then you can use this multi-tool. One thing which I think is really useful about this multi-tool is that it is very heavy and like very sturdy. I'm telling you, this is very heavy. So you can use this for self-defense. Yes, if there is a kangaroo, even like it doesn't fit in this, even then you are safe because you have this. You can throw it and it would be fatal. So another really cool thing which is not related to math, but it's really cool, is this, the body deck. So let's open it. So yeah, see, this is body deck. So I will remove this joker. So in this deck, every card has a slice of our body. This is really cool. So one really cool thing which I saw in his videos, which is somewhat related to maths and physics, is that, suppose like, see this, you can see this one is one slice. I will take one with hands also, see, and this one, this is saying hi to you. So yeah, this, suppose this is a 2D being. I am like placing it in here. This is a 2D being. Now suppose I am a 3-dimensional being, so I can take it and flip it and put it here. See, I have rotated it in 3 dimensions, but see, in 2D what I did, it can never do. So a rotation in 3D is like a mirror image. Okay, so see, like whatever it can do, it can never do this. Like, his left hand can never become his right hand. So we can also see that in 3D in here. Like, what I can do, I can like make it like this, like the top one at the bottom, and like do it for all the cards. Okay, that would like mirror this structure, and that is equivalent to somebody rotating this card in 4D space. So that is something really cool which we can do with these cards. And also you can play cards. In Mathogenius we actually love to do puzzles. Okay, so yeah, this is a puzzle, and one really nice thing about this is that this opens like a jewelry box. Like its packing is really good, and it looks like a jewelry too. So yeah, I will like slowly open it to show you. Yeah, this is, so it's written here, solve this puzzle to remove the treasure inside and you will be rewarded with the special coin that lets you control the outcome of any flip, or at least what someone else thinks the outcome is. Okay, so yeah, so I know about this. So yeah, this is a puzzle. Like if we solve it, if we are able to open it, then we get this coin. So the thing is that, see if you read this from this side, see this is heads, and now if you rotate it, it's tail, and this same thing is there in this side too, heads and tails. So this is what this coin is all about, and this is a puzzle. I won't like open it. I also don't know how to open it. I will like try to solve this puzzle, this cool puzzle. I think it has something to do with these small things which are like moving here and there. So yeah, this is a really cool puzzle. So yeah, so let's move on to the next item, which is this. This is the Uranus is a black hole. Uranus, the planet is a black hole. This t-shirt, so let's open it. I was also waiting for this t-shirt because this is something we can wear. This is the Schwarzschild radius of Uranus, the planet Uranus. Okay, yeah, so if Uranus fits into this circle, it will turn into a black hole. So yeah, this is something really cool. And yeah, in the back all the calculations for this is written. So yeah, so the next very nice math item which acted like the foundation for the modern geometry is this book. This is the Elements book by Euclid. So first very satisfying thing that we have to do is this. We can like open this first. Let's just open it. The first 6 books of the Elements of Euclid. So yeah, in this books like everything about the elements, and it's written like very colorful and very nice. So I would really love to read it, and I will also make some videos from this book. Like if I find something really interesting, then I can make some really cool videos. So this is the Elements in Curiosity box. So yeah, so these are all the items in the Curiosity box. My favorite one is this one. Comment your favorite one. Also, if you want to buy the Curiosity box, go from the link in the description of this video and use Mathogenius times Vsauce as a coupon code to get a discount. So thanks for watching this video, and always remember that math is everything. Or is it?